Hi beautiful ladies, welcome back to PanchAyu, your home for natural beauty and healing. Are you tired of acne and breakouts? No matter what your skin type, today I'm going to show you how to make two powerful Ayurvedic acne serums. One for oily skin and one for dry skin, using natural Ayurvedic ingredients that you already have. So let's dive in. Dry skin needs a gentle care. We need a serum that hydrates your skin and calm down the inflammation and can kill those acne-prone bacteria. In our serum, we use Almond Oil, Vitamin E, Neem Powder, Saffron Oil and Sandalwood Oil. In a small glass container, add 2 tablespoons of pure almond oil. Cut open a vitamin E capsule and add into it. Add a pinch of neem powder. Then we add 2 drops of saffron oil. Finally, we add 2 drops of sandalwood oil. Mix them well and store it in a glass dropper bottle. Apply 2 to 3 drops at night on clean skin. Massage gently on upward movements. This serum helps to hydrate your skin, reduce redness, and fade this pigmentation. This is perfect for dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. So let's think you have an oily skin. Oily skin needs something balancing to control oil without over-drying and to treat acne-prone bacteria. For our acne serum, we need almond oil, aloe vera gel, turmeric powder, and tea tree essential oil. In a small glass bowl, add 2 tablespoons full of almond oil and we put 1 tablespoon full of aloe vera gel. Then add 1/4 teaspoon full of turmeric. Finally, add 2 drops of tea tree oil. Mix well and store it in a glass bottle. Apply this serum at night only. This helps to control the sebum, fight against acne-prone bacteria and cool down the irritated skin. Now it's time for a bonus tip. If you are using other skincare routines, make sure to use our serums at the last step at night. If you want the full pimple care routine, check out my videos, pimple packs and natural face washes. Links are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who is struggling with acne. Tell me your skin type so I will make more videos for you. Till then, stay glowing naturally with PanchAyu. Thank you for watching.